What is that one question that you do not wish to answer anymore?
Maybe like, what was it like working with SRK?
Oh, so Shreya, tell me one thing. What was it like?
And you know something? I asked you this because I knew you would ask me, because that one question I love to answer.
Oh,
Hi.
belated happy birthday.
Thank you so much. I didn't get any call from you.
I know because I was busy watching a video जिसमें ऐसा कुछ चल रहा था. पगली,
Huh?
पगली.
How are you? How's it going?
I'm good. मतलब कल किसने केक बेक किया घर पे?
Actually, मेरी एक 5 साल की दोस्त है जो मेरी नेबर है.
Oh wow.
और उसने अपने मम्मी को फोर्स किया मेरे लिए एक केक बनाने के.
कौन से फ्लेवर का केक था? If I may.
It was Oreo chocolate cake. It was yummy.
Oreo दिल नहीं लगता तेरे बिना.
I'm expecting more such incredible jokes from you.
Yes, I'm 110% sure. अब कल श्रेया का बर्थडे था, इस बात का दंड तो मुझे मिलेगा कि मैंने उसको हैप्पी बर्थडे नहीं बोला. इनफैक्ट
नहीं कोई बात नहीं. That's okay, no problem.
पिछले साल when I met Shreya for the first time, it was actually on my birthday. It was so funny.
Oh really? Oh yeah, of course. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It was first. Yeah, it was the 5th of May. मेरा भी बर्थडे आ ही रहा है. We are fellow Taurians.
Yes.
And एक Taurian दूसरे Taurian से कहना चाहेगा, enjoy the king of fruits of our season, that is the mango. Are you enjoying your mangoes?
Yes, I did. Thankfully, एक पेटी हमने घर पे मंगवाई उस दिन. और मुझे that's my favorite fruit. I love mangoes. But I'm also very possessive. You know, मतलब मैं शेयर नहीं करती. मेरे हिस्से के जो आम होते हैं मैं शेयर नहीं करती.
श्रेया, feelings are absolutely mutual. मतलब यहाँ पे भी अगर ये तो मेरा वाला आम था, ये फ्रीजर के कोने में मैंने रखा हुआ था. ये किसने लिया?
Exactly. ये किसने लिया?
Oh God! Hey, this is Siddharth Malhotra here.
Saying happy birthday. Sorry, I just want to say thank you. Malhotra is saying happy birthday.
And say hi to Sachu uncle, Supriya auntie. I love them. We love you, man. So you know, Siddharth is the guy.
You.
He's the guy who actually gave me a break in like daily soaps ki dunya. Like my first ever daily soap was with Siddharth. So yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
also,
so
what is this Game of Thrones chair that you're sitting on?
है ना, मजेदार ना. मैंने बोला कि लाइव आओ तो ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि विंटर इज कमिंग वाली सिचुएशन में मैं बैठा हूँ.
Absolutely. Winter is coming. Hopefully, Corona is not coming. Oh God,
Corona is going.
Your humor is rubbing off on me.
अच्छा श्रेया, मैं सब आर्टिस्ट से सबसे पहली चीज यही पूछता हूँ कि what is that one question that you do not wish to answer anymore? I
do not wish to answer more questions of maybe like what was it like working with SRK?
Oh, so Shreya, tell me one thing. What was it like?
And you know something? I asked you this because I knew you would ask me, because that one question I love to answer. Because people, especially Shah Rukh fans, I feel like, you know, that whenever I do any interview, no matter what work I might have done, that is one question which comes my way. And I love Shah Rukh, so obviously I'll answer it. But it's like something that I don't want to keep answering, but at the same time I really want to, because I love him so much.
So
and my answer is amazing.
Amazing, right? So next time ऐसा कुछ होगा ना, तो just keep a क्या बोलते हैं, boomerang ready on the phone. How was it working with Shah Rukh? Amazing. मतलब सीधा. No, but मैं तो बोलना चाहूँगा कि बिट्टू कितना बड़ा हो गया, देखो.
Our friend Mrinal is saying hi. Hi, Mrinal.
Hey, Mrinal, what's up? How you doing? Where are you? Arjun sir, hey, it's a big fan, Mrinal. Like, from your show, PI से लेकर अब तक जो आप कर रहे हैं पवन एंड पूजा में, मतलब आप तो छोड़ते ही नहीं है. P से लेना देना ही कुछ और है आपका. Moving on. he shouldn't have said Arjun sir.
कोई बात नहीं.
Oh God. तो क्या बोलते हैं? I was so good. यार, you were Bittu and Tutu मैम है?
Are we going to talk about this?
मतलब बिट्टू बड़ा हो गया. कल बिट्टू का बर्थडे था.
एक तो ना मुझे एक चीज क्लैरिफाई करनी है, बहुत लोगों को ऐसी गलतफहमी है कि मैं चाइल्ड एक्टर थी। मैं एक्चुअली चाइल्ड एक्टर नहीं थी।
बिल्कुल नहीं थी,
but so I mean I used to do these little cameos in Tutu Meme, which was a lot of fun, but very embarrassing when I look at it right now.
Dude, I think so it was so cute. एक तो मेरा hands on favorite show, मतलब ऐसा sitcom तो बना ही नहीं है वापस। तो मतलब your mom and even Reema auntie, it was heaven, dude. Like that show, मतलब the true nature of sitcom, मतलब कितने ही pull off हुए हैं आज तक। There are गिन चुन के, there are handful of this thing अच्छे वाले। उसमें से मतलब you started with cult, bro. Like that is what I was like, wow man, अगर शुरुआत ही ऐसी हुई तो आगे आगे देखो अंजाम क्या होगा, मतलब नेक्स्ट।
No, that was thank you IP, my favorite band Faridkot.
Yes.
IP is saying he likes my Simpsons shirt. Thank you.
That is actually a very cool shirt. The other day I was wearing Pikachu and I got a lot of compliments for my Pikachu. Today, as I'm with my own friends, it's going to be like out of control.
Oh wow. Okay, I'll remember that.
Oh God. So dude, what was it like for the first time when you were told कि ये चल अच्छा तू बिट्टू बन के आने वाला है set पे and this is going to happen? So were you excited? Like, oh my God,
I have always been very comfortable in front of the camera. I don't know. I've always been very comfortable, even on stage. It's not something that felt different, or maybe it's just because I've seen my parents on set so many times. But I had no concept that if I'm in a scene, I used to think that if I am talking, camera मुझ पर तभी होगा। तो अगर आप वो तूतू मैमे के एपिसोड्स देखो पीछे जाकर, फ्रेम में my mom is talking, रीमा आंटी is talking और मैं कोने में खड़ी हूँ और मुझे नहीं पता कैमरा मुझ पे है, तो मैं मेरे लाइंस रिहर्स कर रही हूँ कि फिर उनको देख रही हूँ मैं लाइंस अपने रिहर्सल मेरी चल रही है। And then I'm looking at them कि कैमरा मुझ पे कब आएगा, and then finally when it comes on me, then मैं अपनी लाइन आंटी अच्छा ये बोलती हूँ। तो वो कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं था।
Wow man, and then then you did your first film with your dad, right? So what was that like? Did you audition for that film? Because I remember your dad's comment on that film. You were like, it's not because I'm taking you because you're ghar ki murgi. I'm taking you because I see a good resource in you, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, so I had done a play before that called Freedom to Love. And I genuinely had no conversations with my parents about being an actor or anything like that. And I know it might be hard to believe because one assumes that every actor child would want to become an actor, but I genuinely didn't have those inclinations, or I would have started much younger. So I did that play, and in that 10-minute play at NCP, I was singing, dancing, and I was acting. And Dad saw me perform, and coincidentally at the same time, he was writing a script of a father-daughter story. But that was a very different take. It was a father-daughter. It was an estranged relationship. They were not in each other's lives. And he came to me and he said that I really liked your performance and I think it would be really nice to be part of, I would like you to be part of this film. But he said, I want you to read the script and then let's talk about it. So it was never assumed and it was never taken for granted. And I read the script and in my mind, I knew कि लोग शायद कहेंगे कि, you know, how cliche, पापा ने
बेटी को लॉन्च करा देख
करा दिया। बट वो भी है कि मुझे बहुत बड़ा लॉन्च वही मेरा एम होता तो बहुत दूसरे भी तरीके थे। फॉर मी इट वाज अबाउट फॉर मी इट वाज अबाउट अ स्क्रिप्ट बिकॉज़
आई वुड लाइक टू क्लैरिफाई वन थिंग ओवर हियर फॉर पीपल, क्योंकि क्या है ना, अगर वो लॉन्च पर से जो हम लोग बोलते हैं कि यस इट्स बीइंग ही और शी इज बीइंग लॉन्च्ड बाय द फैमिली, डूड विद सच अ फिल्म लाइक you wouldn't मतलब want that particular launch जैसे कि श्रेया बोलने की कोशिश कर रही है कि मैं आती फिर धूम धड़ाके तरीके में मेरा एक गाना स्विट्जरलैंड में होता, एक गाना पेरिस में होता और एक गाना वहां पे होता, मतलब तो ये एंड बिकॉज देन दिस फिल्म स्पोक फॉर इटसेल्फ है श्रेया, मतलब जिस तरीके से तुम लोग ने छक्के मार के इतने सारे अवार्ड ले गए थे इस फिल्म के लिए, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट स्पोक वॉल्यूम।
पर एक ऑनेस्टली मैं एक चीज कहूंगी कि ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मतलब यस ऑफ कोर्स पापा ने मेरा काम देखा एंड उस तरीके से वही मेरी एक ऑडिशन बन गई थी, यू नो, बट ऐसे भी हो सकता था कि शायद मैं अच्छा काम नहीं करती। maybe, you know. तो वो भी एक odds होते हैं. आपको एक opportunity मिलती है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि और मिलते जाएंगे. आपको उतनी मेहनत आपको करनी पड़ती है. And I feel that audience nepotism की बात तभी करती है जब भी उनको आपका काम पसंद नहीं आता.
Very true, very true.
You know,
I would say
उनको आपका काम पसंद आता है, and I completely get it कि हमें privileges हैं, you know, वो access है, वो है. I mean, and I accept that. I won't be apologetic about it. I accept it, but उतनी ही sense of responsibility ज़्यादा फिर बढ़ जाती है, I guess.
You know, because वही बात है. I think that अगर हाँ, जैसे कि आपने कहा कि privileges होते हैं, we are from the industry and stuff like that. क्योंकि यार अगर यार मतलब वही बोलते हैं ना कि डॉक्टर का बेटा कितने बार प्रोबेबिलिटी होती है कि वो डॉक्टर तो बनता ही है, इंजीनियर का बेटा भी इंजीनियर बनता ही है, लॉयर का बेटा भी लॉयर बनता ही है. फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इज फाइन. बट लेकिन अगर आपका काम अच्छा नहीं होगा तो ऑडियंस विल इमीडिएटली रिजेक्ट यू. इट्स इवन द फर्स्ट फिल्म फॉर अ पर्सन हु इज कमिंग फ्रॉम विद इन द इंडस्ट्री. आई थिंक सो इज अ वेरी मेक और ब्रेक सिचुएशन. मतलब वो काफी हद तक जितना कोई एक आउटकमर के लिए होता है वो एक इनसाइडर के लिए भी उतना ही वो रखता है.
Yeah.
There's a huge message by Sid. Sachu uncle still hasn't got his due. Shreya is such a talented writer, director, awesome person. He is still, yeah, he's such a super talented, no doubt. Yeah, सबका टाइम आ रहा है. मतलब गरीबों ने ये बोल दिया है तो हम लोग में से कोई भी नहीं बचेगा. We all will be in one big package together. Siddharth presents, directed by Sid sir. स्टारिंग श्रेया पिलगांवकर. फिर साइड आर्टिस्ट में मुझे ले लेना. फिर हमारे पास इतने सारे बैंड है, फरीदकोट, मृणाल दत्त भी ऑसम आर्टिस्ट है. तो मतलब पूरा एक बनाएंगे हम लोग अभी घर का एक.
Absolutely.
इंडस्ट्री विल कॉल दैट. मतलब जो हम मिले हैं इंडस्ट्री की वजह से. दिस विल बी नथिंग टू डू विद नेपोटिज्म एट ऑल. आई वुड से दैट. So dude, what was it like when you bagged your first Hindi film? What was the feeling like? Oh my god, am I here? Or what was it like? Because उससे पहले तो you did a French film, if I'm not mistaken.
I did a French film before that, which was also a very special experience. But I was doing a cameo of sorts in that particular film. और fan of course, मैं यशराज फिल्म से बहुत महीनों से audition कर रही थी. And I had no idea कि कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई देख रहा है at that level.
कोई ना कहीं हमारा.
So when Fan happened, and I remember I got that call I think it was really late in the night. मुझे यकीन ही नहीं हुआ. I was like, okay, हाँ, okay. फिर I came to my parents' room and I said,
हाँ, किसको मतलब वो तो अभी मम्मी पापा दोनों.
I've been offered a film. हाँ?
मम्मी पापा दोनों जागे हुए थे. मम्मी पापा both of them were awake.
They were there. हाँ, it was very late as in वैसे very late as per my standards because मैं 10:30 बजे so I mean मेरा first reaction I guess disbelief ही था. And I think it sunk in only when I actually went on set. और मेरे लिए I also knew कि वो fan एक typical YRF film भी नहीं थी, song and dance film नहीं थी, तो एक अलग कोशिश थी उस film की. So I was happy to be part of it, and of course who doesn't want to work with Shahrukh यार.
यार बहुत सारे कमेंट्स पढ़ लेते हैं. मैं बोलता हूँ पहले जिससे पहले कि वो बोलेंगे who wants to see their live.
हाँ लोग.
Talk in Marathi. Somebody wants you to talk in Marathi. Who is that? I am.
ये मतलब ये क्या है? आता हेला मराठी बोलता येत नाही तर मी कशाला बोलू ह्याच्याशी मराठी? कोणाला येत नसेल.
मला मराठी only to save myself from the cops येते. That's it. Yeah, so many people have wished you a happy birthday. I think you should say thank you to everybody who's wished you a happy birthday over here.
Thank you so much. Thank you for all your wishes.
Yes.
Virtual hugs and kisses.
Yes, बहुत सारी पपियां मिल रही हैं तुम्हें श्रेया की तरफ से, and बहुत सारे kisses and बहुत सारे hugs. And श्रेया मुझे ये जानना है कि वो पहला कौन सा डायलॉग था जो तुमने शाहरुख सर के साथ किया था? And what was your first take like? Was it okay in the first take or like कितने takes लगे थे?
No. Okay, first take में वैसा वाला फंडा नहीं था. There was like a choreography involved in it and all of that. So I don't know how many takes we took, but I blush when I think of it.
श्रेया पिलगांवकर जी हाँ ब्लश करती हैं जैसे शाहरुख खान साहब के बारे में सोचती हैं. हैशटैग कौन नहीं करता.
See, my veins are popping. My veins are popping. I think the first part was when जब मैं वो साइबर कैफे में आती हूँ, I don't know if you have watched the film, and he looks at me and it's a double take. He looks at me and he fixes himself.
Yeah.
तो वो वाला, that was the shot that was there. So to get that look from him all the time, मैं ही शर्मा रही थी.
Oh, just why Shahrukh like, oh my God, like Shahrukh being like, oh, charming in front of you. Get out of here.
And very sadly, I was friend zoning him in that film, and I felt so bad. I had to keep reminding myself not to friend zone.
You and that friend zoning thing, na, is kind of मतलब बोलते ना यार श्रेया काफी टेस्ट क्रिकेट खेलती है यार. Shreya is a test cricketer. मतलब seriously. No, I'm telling you, you're on the graph of Salman Khan. Like in the initial films, even he would always give away the love of his lives and something of that sort. And then later, look at him, bro. Shreya is going to be like,
I'm the chaser, right?
Yeah.
Even in Mirzapur, I was the one who sort of, I don't like to be chased. I think even in life, I like to be the one chasing. It's not fun for me. It's not fun for me to. I mean, everybody likes attention and all of that, but I think I enjoy sort of.
Wow, यार श्रेया प्यार देती है, मतलब that girl, मतलब unconditional love का भरमार है उसके पास. क्या बात है.
सबके लिए नहीं.
सबके लिए नहीं है. अब उनके जबरे फैंस के लिए है, उनके चाहने वालों के लिए है, उनके घर वालों के लिए है, लिटिल पपीज के लिए है.
आपका डॉग कहाँ है? How was your dog? How was he?
मेजर साहब एकदम ठीक है. I'm at a cousin's house, so there are a few more pups here. मतलब not pups, they're grown ups. There's Jalebi, she's a Chihuahua. Then there is Barfi, a Chihuahua. Then there are 4 more other dogs. So yeah, Major is having a party, and there are. Oh look, you speak about the devil. The devil comes from Niche. I'm at a row house. Yeah.
Hi, Major.
Puppy दे दे.
He's so cute. Oh my God, he's so cute.
Last puppy, last. See, Rita's in full attitude now.
Ole.
Last
so
puppy.
Sweet.
शांत.
He doesn't. He's had enough.
He's like, बस हो गया बाबा. मुझे तो ऐसा लगा था कि आप कभी तो काम पे जाओगे, लेकिन आजकल तो आप फिर एक्टर बन गए हो क्या? आप घर पे बैठे रहते हो. Back then it used to be never office and all. It used to be going for auditions, coming back home, sitting with the little boy a lot. He's like, Dad's finally become an actor again. He's only
what
into
is
the
that
camera.
Face? He's too cute. Okay, I'll leave you with your dog. Bye.
No. अब क्या करूं यार, हो जाता है.